Happy Wednesday, scholars! So today we're going to read our last article about space. It is titled, Astronauts Get Zero-G Oven to Bake Cookies in Space. Please take a moment and find that article in your packet. Alright, let's get cracking. We are going to go over some vocabulary words first. The first vocabulary word that we're going to go over is gravity. What word? Now, this is a word that we've gone over before, but I wanted to go over this word with a little bit more detail, okay? So, gravity, the force that attracts a body toward the center of the earth. Basically, gravity pulls everything down. So, the reason why your feet have to touch the ground when you stand up is because of gravity. Everything touches the ground because of gravity. If an item does not touch the ground, for instance, if it floats, it has zero gravity or zero G. Zero G is the state or condition in which there is no apparent force of gravity acting on a body. So just think about astronauts when they're in space. If you've ever seen a picture of an astronaut in a space shuttle, you see that they're floating in the air because there's no gravity in space. So it is a zero-G atmosphere. Now let's read, scholars. There is a new kind of oven. It is traveling to space. Astronauts might be able to bake with it. It could mean fresh cookies. Sounds good. The zero-G oven. The new oven is called the zero-G oven. Zero-G means no gravity. It should work in a place with no gravity. Gravity is a force. It pulls things to the ground on Earth. It causes apples to fall from the tree to the ground. It keeps soup in the pot. There is no gravity in space. That means things float around. The oven is on its way to a station in space. The station circles Earth. The oven is a test. It might not work. If it works, astronauts will be able to have fresh desserts. Astronauts mostly eat food that has been dried out. They do this to the food they bring to space. That way the food lasts a long time. We've just gotten a bit more detail on what gravity is. Take a moment and think about what other examples of gravity do you see around you? Cool. NASA helped with this project. NASA is a U.S. space organization. It is thinking about trips to the moon. It is also thinking about trips to Mars. These will be long trips. Astronauts will be away from home for a long time. Having homemade food on those trips will be important. Zero-G Kitchen is a company. It made the space oven. Ian and Jordana Fitchenbaum are in charge of Zero-G Kitchen. They are married. They live in New York. They want to create a kitchen that works in space. Mrs. Fitchenbaum wants to make space feel more like home. She thinks having the smell of fresh cookies will be nice. Don't you guys think it would be so cool to be able to go to the moon or Mars? Like, take a seat on the moon. Testing cookies in space. Cookie dough is in space already. It will be put in the oven when the oven gets there. It is the same cookie recipe used on Earth. That's the beauty of this to me, Mrs. Fitchenbaum said. We've read our article. Now I want you guys to flip to the next page, where we'll find our response page labeled Baking in Space. I want you guys to answer all of these questions. When we get to questions 3, extra 3, and number 4, I want you guys to make sure you're writing in full, complete sentences. Have a great day, scholars.